Right, these are your notes on 45, 45, 90 triangles. And the 45, 45, 90 refers to the measures of the angles of the triangles. So we can see that they have two 45-degree angles and a 90-degree angle. This gives us a very specific ratio where each of the legs has some value x that we don't know, and the hypotenuse has the ratio x root 2. So the hypotenuse is root 2 times the legs. To go from the hypotenuse, or from the legs to the hypotenuse, we want to make it bigger. So we are going to multiply by root 2. If we wanted to go from the hypotenuse to a leg, then we want to make it smaller, which means we would divide by root 2. So now let's take a look at a few examples. In the first example, we're given a leg x. So we know the other leg will be exactly the same length, so that'll be 4. And then to go to our hypotenuse, we can go from either leg, but we need to multiply 4 times root 2. And the way we write that is just 4 root 2. In the second example, we are given the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. So to go to either leg, we will divide 8 divided by root 2, and that will give us 4 root 2. In the third example, we're again given a leg, so the other leg will be exactly the same, and it will be 3 root 2 inches. And then to go to the hypotenuse, we will multiply our leg, the 3 root 2, by root 2. Just as we did in the first example, we took the leg and multiplied by root 2. And in this case, we will get 6. All right, for the last example, we were again given the hypotenuse. So we have to divide to get the legs. So the leg is going to be equal to 4 root 6 divided by root 2. And that'll give us 4 root 3 for both of our legs. Let me know if you have any questions.